Hi guys, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to see about important days in March. And the day is March 18, World Sleep Day, to make awareness about the importance of good sleeping habits. March 18 is called World Sleep Day, and another day in March 18 is called Ordnance Factories Day. Ordnance Factories Day. And March 20 is called International Day of Happiness. International Day of Happiness. It was declared by United Nations on 2013 as International Day of Happiness on March 20. And another day in March 20 is called World Sparrow Day. To raise awareness about the sparrow among the people, March 20 is called World Sparrow Day. And another day in March 20, World Oral Health Day. World Oral Health Day. To spread awareness about oral hygiene, that means to take care of our teeth. Means of dental health. So it means of dental health. March 20 is called World Oral Health Day. And March 21. Today is March 21 and the day is World Forestry Day or International Day of Forest. To raise public awareness about the values and importance of forest to balance the life cycle of the earth. So March 21 is called World Forestry Day or International Day of Forest. And another day in March 21 is World Down Syndrome Day. World Down Syndrome Day. It's a chromosomal arrangement in our body which result variable effects on learning styles and physical characteristics of our health. So March 21 is called World Down Syndrome Day. And another day in March 21 is World Poetry Day, and it was declared by UNESCO in 1999, March 21, as a World Poetry Day. And it's aimed to increase the poetic expressions in various languages to spread among the world. So March 21 is called World Poetry Day. Note down these days. It will be useful for your bank exam or any other entrance exams. So if you like it and if you understand it, please give thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click bell icon, then only you will get my notification. Thank you. Happy day. All the best. Bye.